Students, today we are going to do our new poem Unthinkables. Firstly, what is the meaning of unthinkables? It is a funny combination of unthinkable and things. It means the things which we can only imagine, okay, who does not exist in real life. See, bedtime is known for the stories it brings when you can imagine unthinkable things. When you are going to sleep, it is a time when stories come in your mind, okay. At that time you can imagine the things which are not real, okay, which are just unthinkables, which doesn't exist anywhere, okay. Like a three-legged pirate with one made of wood. Like you can imagine a pirate. What is pirate? A robber, especially who robs the people in the ship, okay. A pirate with three legs and one leg of that is made from the wood. Next is an alien astronaut up to no good. Now you can also imagine an alien astronaut. Astronaut means who come from the space or who travels in the space. Up to no good. Up to no good means who does not behave properly or in a good way. Means you can imagine a bad alien who is destroying your earth. Next is an elephant shower that washes off dirt. Then an elephant is there, okay, who is showering the water from his trunk so that he can washes off the dirt. Next is a clown that can fly with a flower that squids. Now see, you can also imagine a clown. Clown means joker, and the joker which can fly also. He has flowers that squids. Squids means that throw water or that hunt through water or hits people with water. Next is a tiny ant mentioned that all of them share. A tiny means small. Ants all live in a small house and they all share a single house. Next, a green ghostly teacher with ghastly grey hair. See that you can imagine also that your teachers look like a ghost and his or her hairs are also horror, okay. Next, a jaguar with bagpipes. She just learned how to play. Next, you can imagine a jaguar. Jaguar is an animal which looks like a cat or cheetah, okay. A jaguar with bagpipes. Now, bagpipes are musical instruments. You can imagine a jaguar playing bagpipes, which she has recently learned. Next, a face shaving whale who is starting his day. You can also imagine a whale, which is a kind of a fish that is shaving his face before going to his work or just who has just started his day. Next is a monster mailman who won't get very far. You can also imagine a monster, okay, which has not gone so much far. A marshmallow driving a new fancy car. You can also imagine that a marshmallow is driving a new fancy car, which is not so possible in real life. A fish who goes shopping while out at the mall. You can also imagine a fish who is going to shopping, okay, while out at the mall, who goes to shop for shopping in the mall, okay. A child who's sleeping, the rarest of all. A child who is sleeping means the child who is sleeping there, who is imagining these things, he is rarest of all. Rarest means one of many, okay. So this is it in the chapter, that you when you can go to bedtime, you can imagine these things or these type of imaginations come in your mind.